a pair of oars, binoculars, a crystal ball, or the mystery mouseketool. What can we use to help us see closer? Binoculars, right! We got ears. Say cheers! Could we use a crystal ball to row the boat? Not really. Could we use a pair of oars to row the boat? Right. We got ears. Whisper, cheers. Can we use the bicycle pump to a crystal ball to get Goofy down?
No!
Nope. That doesn't make sense. That means it's time to use the Mystery Mouseketool. Everybody say, Mystery Mouseketool. What's today's Mystery Mouseketool?
The rope. Can we use the rope to get Goofy down? We sure can. We got ears. Say cheers. Which mouseketool haven't we used?
The crystal ball. We can use it like a bowling ball to knock the crystal rocks over. Let's try it.
Hey, we've used all our mouseketools. Say super cheers.